Whoa, 2022 already. Time just flew right past us. Wagwan future millionaires, Demetress Fairman here again. And as you can see, I'm not sick, so I have to thank God for that, because trust me, that flu is serious. So the year just began, and trust me, my plate full already. There's a lot of things for me to do this month, so it's going to be so hectic. But before we even talk about 2022, there's a series that I didn't finish in 2021, and that's my dividend recap. Before I give you the total amount of dividends that I made in 2021, let's take a time skip. Let's jump back and go to the first dividend of the year, and then we'll just take it from there. Total of $5,932.99. Because right now, those dividends from May to the month of July added up to a total of $9,877.10. Alright, so I could bust it up and do some quick maths. So for those dividends from July 30 to September 27, we have received a total of $8,628.64. Just whoa, I couldn't have seen this coming. Just imagine when I was in 2020 and I made only $8,000 in dividends for the year, and then this year, within half of the year, how many times am I going to say year? But within half of that period, I made back that $8,000. So who wants to see the grand total for the year of 2021? So no more suspense. Let's finish up the year. I got 4 dividend checks to finish up the year, and 3 of them are the JMMB 7.35% preference share. Can't say me never tell you about it. But the first dividend that I got was from JMMB 7.35 preference share, and they gave me a total of $2,525.53. All I can say, those constant $2,000 and $3,000 every month from this dividend is enough to pay my water bill and can pay my light bill too, you know. The second dividend is from Scotia, and they paid me a total of $520.63. And I am glad that Scotia gave me that dividend. However, they are not in my portfolio anymore. I am downsizing my portfolio to only show attention to the stocks that are giving me some good returns. I'm going to use that money now to bring over into my US stock brokerage account, where I can research some dividend ETFs or some high-paying dividend stocks to take this dividend series across the waters, and let's start earning in some USD. The third dividend is also from the JMMB 7.35 preference share, and they paid me a total of $2,446.60. Let's jump to the fourth and final, and this is also from JMMB, and they paid me a total of $2,318.20, giving me a total of $7,810.96. Now for the grand finale, the grand total, the moment that we've all been waiting for. For the year of 2021, I made a total of $32,249.69 in dividends. Let me do my dance. We almost look like fool on the camera, but trust me, that is a significant growth from 2020. 2020 was just $8,000, and this now is $32,000. We grew 4 times. That's a lot of money. All I can say is thank you to everybody that has subscribed to the channel, because you guys held me accountable. You made me want to make more videos, and by making more videos, I had to be consistent in investing in these dividend stocks, because when I see people making 100% profit and trading stocks and just buying and selling, it's kind of boring on my end, because I am just investing in the same stocks and growing them. But as you can see, over time, I'm actually getting some good returns, and hopefully this year it will be even more, because we're going to go into the US stock market and start getting some dividend earners with US dollars. As for this channel in 2022, we will still be investing in dividend stocks. However, I want to invest in some cryptocurrency also. I want to go deeper in that space and learn about cryptocurrencies and their technologies and how people want to implement them. I just want to be involved in this space, and honestly, it's quite entertaining. So I want to bring that to the channel. Another goal that I want to accomplish in 2022 is that I want to start a business. I want to be the Gary V of Jamaica. If you guys don't know Gary Vaynerchuk, he's a marketing expert on all social media platforms, and he's very vocal, if you know what I mean. But he's somebody that I look up to, and I want to be a businessman because that was one of my first loves that brought me into investing. I want to bring it into the channel, incorporate it somehow so that you guys can learn while I am learning. I also want to do some collaborations with other finance YouTubers, and scratch that, it doesn't even have to be finance YouTubers. It can be anybody. As long as you're doing something that people are interested in and want to learn about, I want to do a collaboration. Also, it has come to my attention that people really want to have one-on-one conversations with me where we talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, real estate, basically anything business-wise, where we can meet up maybe once a week and just talk. And I've heard of a platform called Patreon. Let me know, guys, if you're interested. Just leave a comment down below if you're interested in that platform where we can just discuss and like-minded individuals can bounce information off each other. But those are my goals for 2022, and I hope that you guys can hold me accountable to accomplish those. And I hope that you guys set some goals for yourself also, because we can't live this year as we did last year. We have to change and we have to adapt if we want better for ourselves. There is some sad news though. I won't be posting any videos for the month of January, and this is because I will be moving shortly. Also, I want to use this month to just plan my content and make sure that I am on the right path and gaining the right information to actually start the process of starting my business. Hopefully you guys can understand and see with me, and don't unsubscribe, please. It will only be for January, so stick around and wait till February and we'll start the content again. I appreciate every single one of you guys that are subscribed to the channel, because without you guys we wouldn't be here, we wouldn't be getting these opportunities, and I wouldn't be able to speak to a wider range of people. Like, just imagine speaking to 3,000 people. That's a lot of people. So thank you guys for the opportunity, and I have grown and I like the person that I am becoming because of this platform. So thank you guys. I appreciate the love, the support, and everything that you guys gave me in 2021, and hopefully I can reciprocate that by providing quality content in 2022. Thank you for watching.